Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this video here with me. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Hey, also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Tuesday, May the 7th, 2024. Until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. This video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.